channel. So today we are focusing on layers, y'all. When I tell y'all lay this hair down, this hair has so many layers. And one thing about it, if you want some big voluminous curls, you gotta layer her. We are also trying a different curling technique. I tried this a few years ago, so I really doubt y'all will remember, but I tried a different curling technique, and basically this is how it came out. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. All right, y'all, so this is the final look, and this is very like different. I don't know how to feel about this. I feel like this look is so like voluminous, and I kind of want to see how it drops as well. And I also clearly, as y'all can see, I've been a fan of like the little swoop bang or whatever. Yeah, I'm just kind of trying to like comb it out and play with the hair, because you know when you comb out curls, it can go any direction, to be honest. Like I can make it into a deep swoop, I could just make it into like a simple side, kind of something like this. It's a lot of layers in there, it's a lot of movement, it's a lot like going on. But how do y'all feel about this look, y'all? I'm actually really feeling it. Don't get me wrong, I think my other method of curling, even though they all serve different purposes, I still like the other way I curl a little bit better. I was just trying to try something new. Well, I learned this like a couple of years ago, but I was just trying it out again just to see like what it would give me. So y'all gotta let me know how y'all feeling about this look. So anyways, like if you like this video, comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Subscribe if you want to see more videos from me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, loves.